Okay, so the materials you need for this tutorial are 0.8mm wire, some Swarovski hexagon pendants. There could be any pendants and any Swarovski. You could even use just normal beads, looped beads. We're going to need our chain nose pliers and our round nose pliers. So the first thing you're going to do is take your 8mm wire, make sure that it's as straight as you can get it, and just measure the length you're comfortable with for an ear post. I think this is good. We can cut it down later if it's too long, and bend at a 90-degree angle. Take your round nose pliers, let me just move these out of the way. Take your round nose pliers, grab at the base of the bend and just kind of make a circle around it, kind of going the whole way. Just move it as you need and just move them side to side and kind of use them to grip as you twist and twirl. I'm going to do about a loop that is only 2 curls around before I stop and I decide at this point I'm going to just put it to a 90-degree angle with the ear post piercer thing. When it gets to that level, I'm going to take my chain nose. Actually, I'm going to take my wire cutters. Where are they? Oh, you also need wire cutters. Sorry, just mentioned that one. Just deciding on a length I'm comfortable with. Then I'm going to just snip them off. I'm going to take my round nose pliers, grab from the bottom, and kind of make a little loop. It's going to face down. It's a bit bigger than I wanted it to be. I'm going to cut it down a little bit. Then I'm going to cut again. I'm going to curl it again. Just gonna make sure everything's nice and straight. There we have it. Now I'm going to take these chain links we created last time, and this time I'm gonna use it to connect the Swarovski to the post. I'm going to take this, open it like the same way you do a jump ring, string the bead through, just string. Okay, let's open it a little bit more, string the bead through and close it again, and you can push it down, and there we go. Then I'm going to open it up here and take a post and slide it in. Actually, I can keep this closed, as would be the easier one. I'm going to slide in the post, then I'm going to take my chain nose pliers and press down. There we have it. Do that again for the second one. Take your chain link, take your pendant. Again, I'm using a Swarovski hexagon. I'll try to link it below, and close it. Push down, push down. Actually, it should go the other way, shouldn't it? Yeah, it should. Just to keep it uniform. It does. I mean, the grand scheme of things doesn't really matter. And Once you have it on, just push down, close it, and take your ear post, slip it in, close it, and there you have it. So now we have these two beautiful earrings, completely DIY. The only thing we didn't make is the crystal. Here we are. Let me see if I can put it against a very nice backdrop. Kind of shines through the different colors, and that's it. There are the earrings. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.